Hello everybody, my name is Cristo Mora. I am a student of engineering and now I'm going to talk about a big city that is the New York. First of all, I would like to talk about a few of the history about this place. It's a very famous place that is the Times Square. The next point that I'm going to talk is the Stock and Exchange Board. The third point that I am going to talk is the fourth place that I am going to talk. This will be the Broadway. Fifthly, I'm going to talk about all activities that the people can do in New York. Next point will be the Empire State Building. And the final place will be the Wall Street. I would now like to move on to first point, which conquered the New York in 1664, and it changed the name of the city to New York in homage of the Duke of York. At that time, the population was made up of 40% of African slaves, some freedmen by the Dutch and who had acquired land. The next point is Times Square. Times Square is arguably the most famous and busiest corner on the planet, both day and night. It is where since 1907 the traditional countdown to the arrival of the new year has been carried out, with the presence of hundreds of thousands of the New Yorkers and tourists. Neon signs are the most recognizable feature of the Junction installation in place that cost millions of dollars, along with Broadway theaters. So the New York has one of the most important stock and exchange around all the world. New York is Wall Street, and Wall Street is the main of the financial district of Manhattan, where NYSE, New York Stock Exchange, one of the market's most important values in the world. The next place is Broadway. In Broadway Avenue runs through Manhattan. On this street at the height of Times Square and the adjacent streets, Broadway has 41 theaters are concentrated, where you can see the most famous musical shows in the world. The whole area is now a theater district. In New York, the people can do much activity. For example, the people can run and walk in the park, and the people can see popular attractions and get horse or carriers. I'm going to continue with the Empire State. The Empire State is one of the icons of the Big Apple. His soulhood has been immortalized. It dozens of films on his defeated the city skyline since 1931. From this place, you can see more or less all city. In conclusion, I think that New York is a big city with much history. So I believe that all places that the New York has are very interesting and very fantastic. Also, I think that these places are very, very, very interesting. Thanks for listening and greetings. See you. Bye bye.